Good evening, good morning, good afternoon to everyone, and welcome. We are so happy here with us as we officially welcome 2026. Yes, hello everybody.
Yes. Hello, everybody.
Hello, hello.
This year is all about positivity, growth, and taking action. We are proud to say that our global community is now over 270,000 plus lang naman,
Oh,
no? Strong, made up of everyday people like what you have right now in the panel today to think differently, more action takers, more milestone achievers, and yes, people who were finally able to quit jobs that no longer serve them, right? Kasi ito na yung kanilang plan A. So tonight, we're not here to pressure everyone. We're here to ask one powerful question. Ano kaya itong powerful question na to, Sis Rosalie?
alright. Ang topic natin tonight ay walang iba kundi ang kung walang magbabago sa 2026, okay lang ba sa'yo ito? Hindi ito tanong para takutin ka, takutin kayo. Hindi rin ito para mang-pressure. It's a question to make you na, alam mo yun, mag-isip-isip, tumigil muna. Lalo na kung pagod ka na. Kung pakiramdam mo parang umiikot lang ang buhay mo, kung alam mo na sa loob mo na, may gusto pa sana talaga akong mangyari. You don't need to have everything figured out tonight. You just need to be open. And tonight, now, let's hear from our speakers tonight as they share their honest reflection. Joy, good evening. Unmute, sis.
Hi.
All right.
Yes. Yes. Hello. Happy New Year, everybody. This is Joy from Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. So yes, alam mo yung feeling na parang di ka ready. Pero ganun din ako dati. Lagi kong iniisip, saka na kapag confident na ako or kapag mas magaling na ako. Pero habang hinihintay ko yung perfect timing, napansin ko na walang pagbabago. So one day I told myself, what if hindi ko na pala hindi pala kaya maging ready. Kailangan lang na maging open. So I tried to learn something new little by little. Alam mo 'yon, walang perfect moment at mga celebration, pero it's little by little at I learned something new every single day. So in this 2026 brought me a new confident in this digital business. So that's why I am here and I start learning and everything. So kung nandito kayo ngayon, maybe this is your sign. You don't need to be ready, you just need to be open. Right, sister? Back to
Yes.
you. Thank you.
Sis Vicky.
Okay. Hi everyone, this is Vicky from Como, Italy. Ang i-share ko naman sa inyo is about something real. Yung bang staying stuck doesn't always mean na masama siya. Kasi may mga moments na yung parang familiar lang, safe ito. Pero ang 2026 taught me this na yung bang staying familiar doesn't always mean na fulfilling. Yung parang laging may kulang. Pero may choice pa rin lagi tayo. Yung bang pag ikaw ay yung tahimik lang, you want to stay where you are, na parang wala lang. Pero nasa sa iyo din kung sabi mo sa sarili mo, wala na bang pagbabago sa taon na to? Ganito na lang ba ako? And that awareness, doon nag-uumpisa na yung growth begins. Doon ka mag-iisip na mag-step forward. You open yourself to new possibilities, to new opportunities. Diba? Ako, may time na parang unhappy. Yung parang comfortable din lang ako kung ano yung ginagawa ko. Pero parang may gusto sa akin explain kung ano yung gusto kong mabago sa buhay ko. So, for me, this 2026, gusto kong yung may pagbabago na yung dati kong routine na familiar at gusto kong magkaroon din ng true fulfillment ng aking buhay. Okay, back to you, Coach. Thank you.
Yes,
Marian.
thank you, Sis Vicky. So ako naman, napaisip talaga ako sa tanong na to. If nothing changes this 2026, would I be okay with that? Alam mo yun? And honestly, doon ako nagkaroon ng realization. Grateful ako sa life ko ngayon. Don't get me wrong. Sa family ko, sa work, sa stability na meron kami. Pero na-realize ko na pagiging grateful doesn't mean na kailangan kong tumigil, mag-grow, or stay where I am right now. Dati akala ko kapag gusto kong more, parang hindi ka kontento. Di ba may mga ganun tayong instinct, right? Pero hindi pala yun ganun. Pwede kang maging thankful sa kung nasaan ka ngayon. At the same time, gusto mo pa rin naman better options for the future, di ba? Kasi hindi lang naman ikaw ang iniisip mo, family mo, right? Hindi ka ungrateful kapag gusto mo ng growth. Ibig sabihin nun, aware ka, responsible ka, and iniisip mo, hindi lang yung today, hindi lang, kundi pang long term din yung iniisip mo. Kaya nung tinanong ko yan sa sarili ko, if nothing changes this year, okay na ba ako? Ang totoo, hindi. Pagpakatotoo naman ako, hindi. Hindi dahil maganda yung buhay ko ngayon, pero dahil alam kong may kaya pa akong gawin, di ba? Meron pang kayang exert. May mas pwede pang ma-achieve at may mas magandang future na pwede kong i-build for me and my family. At nung binigay ko sa sarili kong permission to grow, doon talaga nag-shift lahat. So yun lang ang insight ko for today. Thank you. Sis Rosalie.
Yes. Correct. Alam mo, lahat naman tayo talaga, alam mo yung grateful in everything we have, no? Pero gaya ng sinabi ni host, hindi sapat yun. Hindi siya sapat na grateful lang tayo. We should do something better sa ating mga buhay. Kasi meron namang, di ba, nagbukas nga ng possibility sa ating mga buhay na ito nga ang pag-join natin sa digital business. Na this year, this 2026, we look forward na alam natin sa ating mga puso na merong pwedeng gawin ng Diyos sa ating mga buhay. Merong mas higit pang pwedeng gawin ng Diyos sa ating mga buhay. Hindi lang yung ma-stuck lang tayo sa daily routine natin na bahay, trabaho, tutulog, gigising. So, that's all for me. Let's hear from Raquel.
Yes, happy New Year to all of us. Ngayon, 2026, pinag-uusapan natin about changes, change, growth. Hindi naman kailangan tong drastic change. Hindi kailangan it doesn't require a big leaps right away, no? Sometimes it starts with learning, listening, and observing. Yung dahan-dahan, walang pressure, walang comparison. Sa atin, okay lang yung, lalo ngayon na 2026, mag-uumpisa tayo ng bagong taon, nakapag-reflect tayo, gusto natin hindi tayo ma-stuck, sabi nga, pero ito yung pabago ng buhay natin, pero dahan-dahan, yung merong small step, counted niyo kahit small step lang, pero nagmo-move forward tayo, with confidence, with courage, at syempre may clarity kung saan tayo pupunta, right?
Yes. Cherry.
Yes, hello. So everyone has their own views of growth, how we start and explore this 2026. Yes, for so long, sometimes I feel like I'm so comfortable and I didn't realize that I'm holding back, I'm not moving forward. Yeah, and so now I realize that 2026 I have to
explore more. You know, if I did 100% back then in 2025, I think I have to move for 110 or even 120. You know, but 2026 reminded me that growth doesn't require chaos. It's not like you're always busy or what I will do, you know. It's just, you know, take your time, focus, and just take courage to explore new possibilities. That's why I'm trying to organize my, you know, this my own business. You know, what can I do for 2026? So just reflect, you know, what have you done, you know, in 2025 that hold you back, you know, like hindi ka yung nagfo-forward na, you know, you're stuck with it. So now it's 2026, it's time for us to take courage to explore new possibilities. What are the things, you know? Kung na-stuck tayo nung 2025, maybe something else. So here we are. That's why we're sharing our stories. We're sharing this opportunity and for you to explore these new possibilities if you want it. You know, kung may gusto ka na. Kasi if nothing changes this 2026, would you okay with that? For me, I will not, you know. So if I did 100% last year, I will go for 110. Thank you. And Josie.
Hello. Hi. Good evening from the UK. Yes, 2025. For a very long time, I stayed busy. And I told myself I was doing fine. Full days, full schedules. But deep inside, I knew being busy didn't always mean I was moving forward. One day, I asked myself the hard question. If nothing changes in 2026, would I be okay with that? And honestly, the answer was no. Because comfort can feel safe, but it can also quietly keep us stuck. I realized my time was limited, but my goals were still big. That's when I became open to building a digital business, not as a shortcut, but as an option, a way to grow beyond fixed hours and fixed income, a way to work smarter, not longer. Change doesn't have to be drastic. Sometimes it starts with curiosity, with learning something new, with being open to different possibilities. And if this question resonates with you, maybe it's time or it's worth asking yourself too. If nothing changes this 2026, would you be okay with that? Sometimes being open is where the journey begins. So, yes, back to you, host.
Thank you, Sis Josie. Thank you sa lahat ng speakers natin today. Mapapansin nyo naman, iba-iba talaga yung stories namin. Pero iisa lang yung realization. Walang magbabago kung wala tayong babaguhin. Hindi tungkol sa pag-push ng kahit anong business ang conversation na to. It was about awareness na may possibility at meron tayong choices, right? At minsan, isa sa pinakamadaling paraan para magsimula ay yung simpleng pagiging open lang at patuloy na pag-learn. Di ba, no, Sis Rosalie?
Yeah, kaya nga, kung curious po kayo, gusto mo lang maintindihan kung paano gumagana ito, the webinar is the best place to start. So, wala tong pressure, wala po itong pilitan, as in wala. Just information, stories and clarity, at tatnaan mo, hindi mo kailangang mag-isa. You can message any here tonight, kahit sino pong inyong napupusuan. So, Joy, can you tell us your website?
Yes. So if you're open to learn something new, or if you want to learn about this digital business, feel free to reach me out at www.pinayventure.com. That's my website. Thank you.
If this question stayed with you, don't keep it for yourself. Mag-connect tayo at I will share with you kung anong nakatulong sa akin dahil maaring makakatulong din sa iyo. My website is www.vickyventures.net.
And if you are still curious pero unsure, just message any of us. For my website is www.maryantibayan.com. Thank you.
Alright, so kung gusto mong maintindihan, mas maunawaan ang mga options mo, message mo, kahit sino sa amin. But my website is www.rosalico.com. Cherry?
Oh, hello.
Or Raquel?
Is it Raquel? Where's Raquel here?
Yeah.
Yes. So, kung ready ka na to explore at your own pace, you can visit us in our pages, and you can visit us also or message me sa aming pages, and visit me at my website at www.serranoandco.it. That's back to you, host.
Yes. So, if this conversation resonated with you, so don't ignore. This might be for you. So connect with me or any one of us here, and let's explore how you can create growth, alignment, and be smarter way forward. If you want a side hustle, yes, message us here, and also my website for you to start. My website is www.sherrylamis.com. Josie.
If this question, hello there, it's me again. So if this question made you reflect, feel free to message me and let's talk. This is my website. You can see it, www.kimayongjslifestyle.com. You can connect with any of us here. Thank you.
Fair? Call for action? Fair?
You're muted.
Call to action.
All right.
Welcome,
Hello.
Sisi. You are with us.
Yes.
You just appeared.
Yeah. If you all resonated with the story that we are sharing with you, we keep inspiring by sharing our story. And if our story resonated, then visit our website. Our website is just right in front of us. My website is www.fakeax.net. All right. Okay, who's next?
Yes, ayun. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aming weekly, every Saturday and Sunday podcast with my ladies here, Empowered Women. So, kung may nag-resonate sa inyo tonight, paruin niyo yung mga webinar namin, feel free to contact sa kahit sino sa amin. Minsan, isang conversation lang talaga ang kailangan para magsimula ang bagong chapter sa inyong mga buhay. Katulad ng nangyari sa aming mga buhay. So, kita-kits ulit tayo, Saturday, Sunday. That's 2 p.m. EST on my time, and you can just check out. We do have our invites naman every weekend. So, thank you for welcoming 2026 with us. See you. Bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you.